Hello everybody, как дела? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had great holidays. Today I'd love to tell you about Kucha. Have you ever heard of it? If not, please keep watching and I really love to tell you a lot of fascinating facts about it, okay? What is it? Is it good for you? Let me tell you about it. Kucha is the most versatile, delicious dish that you need to try. Kucha is a traditional main Christmas, the Old New Year Epiphany dish. Kucha is the most important dish on the table. You need to start out with it. What is it made of? Wheat is the main ingredient of kucha. Sprouted grains are a symbol of eternal life. They are often added to kucha. Poppy seeds or nuts mean fertility. By adding these products, a person programs himself for wealth and prosperity for the whole family. Honey symbolizes pleasure and sweet life. This is my first handmade kucha. So I put a lot of, as you see, raisins, dry mangoes, and pecans. And guess what? Pecans contain more than 19 minerals and vitamins, and also they are a good source of protein. Guys, right now I'm going to tell you 15 benefits of kucha. Are you ready? Let's get started. Stimulates libido, makes your nerves relaxed, prevents Alzheimer's. If you suffer from fatigue, then please eat this magnificent dish because it's gonna help you to feel energized and satisfied. If you suffer falling asleep, it is the perfect remedy for insomnia. Anti-aging effects, providing nutrition for your brain. If you have extra weight, this is the perfect solution for it. Just eat it and you're gonna feel how you're getting slimmer and slimmer. If you have problems with your heart, it improves heart health. Stabilizes blood pressure. This magnificent dish prevents cancer. It's rich in antioxidants, it can boost your immunity and it stimulates hair growth. And one more fascinating fact about it enhances male sexual desire. I'm betting you didn't know at least 3 of these properties of kucha. Let me know in the comments below what was the most interesting fact about it. Thanks so much and see you next time. Bye bye, пока!